Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by adjusting your provider filters. Set them to medium or aggressive so obvious junk never reaches your inbox. Next, unsubscribe from legitimate lists to reduce volume and report phishing or deceptive senders so the system learns. Then create 2 folders, spam and block senders, to sort messages you still see. Once done, you'll have immediate reduction and a place to review edge cases. Make sure to use both automated filtering and a simple manual workflow so nothing important is lost. Now you tighten control by creating specific rules. Block entire domains, flag messages with common spam keywords, and auto-move them to spam. You should also verify that SBF, DKIM, and DMARC checks are enabled or enforced so forged senders are rejected. This reduces spoofing dramatically. If spam persists, add a reputable third-party filter or extension for advanced scoring and quarantines. These apply machine learning signals and reputation data. Once implemented, monitor the quarantine daily to rescue false positives and tune rules. To finish, audit your blocked list and spam folder each month to catch false positives and whitelist trusted senders when needed. If important messages get caught, lower the rule priority or add a safe sender entry instead of deleting rules outright. If you see a sudden spam spike, create a new alias or disposable address and enable 2-factor authentication to protect accounts. That isolates exposure. Troubleshooting tip: if many legit emails are blocked, pause aggressive rules and reintroduce them one at a time to identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.